I'm Mary Beth Johnson. I'm a chef de cuisine and executive pastry chef, and today we're making deep fried Italian rice and cheese. In other words, in Italy, in Milan or the northern regions, it is called arancini. And near Venice, outside of Venice and that surrounding area, depending on how it's made, it's called Venetian alla telefono, because what it starts with is risotto or borio, the risotto type of rice. The ingredients for a risotto or a borio rice or risotto rice: minced garlic, a little bit of olive oil, chicken stock, but you're going to use a lot more chicken stock than this. 5 to 6 cups is the average. To start with your risotto, a little bit of olive oil in a hot pan, add the rice, fry it for a minute or two, stir it, don't let it burn. Add your minced garlic, and then you want to deglaze it with either white wine, but I prefer to use chicken stock, or depending on what type of meat that you're going to serve it with. Veal stock if you're doing ossobuco, chicken stock or vegetable stock if you're doing a vegetable risotto. For this recipe, I used chicken stock. This is what risotto looks like once it's made. See, the grains are really fluffy and light. Risotto should be cooked al dente, not mushy. So I've got fresh made risotto that you need to refrigerate it because you can't handle it when it's hot. And to the risotto, I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to add a little bit of flour, a little bit of minced garlic. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, and then some Italian seasoning. And we want to mix all of this up. You can use your hands, you can use a spoon. So I've mixed it with my hands. You really want a really thick consistency. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of a ball. We're going to make it into a ball. So we've got the risotto already, the dough already made, and we're going to create a breading station. A typical breading station is made of all-purpose flour, eggs mixed with a little bit of water, and then some breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs, whatever is your favorite. You want to form the risotto into a ball, and then you want to press an indentation in the center. And this is where we're going to put our cheese that we're going to fry. And what I've used is Parmesan cheese. And then you want to close it up. Pinch it and seal it until it's firmly closed. Now you have a nice round ball there stuffed with cheese. You want to dredge it into the flour first, then into the egg wash, and then into the breadcrumbs, Italian, panko, whatever have you. Okay, now we're ready to fry the risotto balls, the Italian rice balls. Now these are stuffed with cheese. I said before that you could put any kind of cheese in them that you want. You want to be careful because the breadcrumbs will burn, so see how brown that got in just this short period of time? So you just want to keep an eye on them. You don't want the cheese to melt out. Here's your fried Italian rice balls. They are the risotto that I made previously, stuffed with cheese, put in a breading station, and then deep fried, and just absolutely wonderful. So.